Introducing the Realme GT Neo 6, the latest sensation in the smartphone world, now available in China. Packed with power and performance, this phone is designed to take your mobile experience to the next level. Let's dive into what makes the Realme GT Neo 6 stand out from the crowd. First up, under the hood, it's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, ensuring lightning-fast responsiveness and seamless multitasking. With up to a whopping 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space or slowing down. But that's not all. Feast your eyes on its stunning 8T LTPO AMOLED display, boasting a crisp 5K resolution and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing, every detail pops with vibrant clarity. When it comes to capturing life's moments, the Realme GT Neo 6 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a powerful dual rear camera setup led by a 50-megapixel Sony sensor, your photos will be sharp, detailed, and bursting with color. And with its 32-megapixel front camera, your selfies will always look picture perfect. But what about battery life, you ask? Fear not, because the Realme GT Neo 6 is fueled by a massive 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring you can go all day without needing to recharge. And when you do need a boost, its 120 watts wired fast charging support has you covered, delivering lightning-fast refills in just minutes. Now let's talk about the price. The Realme GT Neo 6 starts at just $290, making it an affordable option for tech enthusiasts everywhere. Plus, it comes in a range of stylish colors to suit your personal taste. In terms of specs, this phone leaves no stone unturned. Running on Android 14-based Realme UI 5, it offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. And with a wide range of connectivity options, including 5G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.4, you'll always stay connected no matter where you are. So there you have it. The Realme GT Neo 6, a powerhouse smartphone that ticks all the boxes. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just someone who loves staying connected on the go, this phone has something for everyone. That's it for today. Subscribe Bytes for more updates. Catch you in the next one.